big gift. Bison Thunder motorcycle. The deal was we were looking to give away a motorcycle, and our promotions and marketing team teamed up with Cowboy Jacks. What we wanted to do was take this bike, custom paint it, and get it out to as many locations as we could. And we're really grateful for the partnership with Cowboy Jacks, because over the next 8 weeks, we take this motorcycle to Cowboy Jacks locations. We promote it through various forms of social media channels, and then have people see it, and then have people register to win this. It adds excitement for us as a new motorcycle dealership. We've been in existence for about 6 months, and then to have a partner like Cowboy Jacks is phenomenal, because it's a busy place. It's a great clientele. The staff is awesome and very helpful, and what a great partnership.
Yeah, so we're really excited. We're up over 100 entries already this evening. Really appreciate everything Cowboy Jacks has done, and our other sponsors, Budweiser and Red Bull and Miami Mobile. You can either text to enter or fill the back of the card, and you're in. No cost. Just Bison Thunder motorcycle. Reaching out to the community and saying thank you.
We're just really excited about our partnership with Cowboy Jacks. It's just an awesome thing. We really got an awesome motorcycle to give away. It's a 2016 Indian Springfield. It's just really, really nice. It's a beautiful bike, and it's really an eye catcher when people come into a Cowboy Jacks location. Indian is a hot brand, and it's very unique, and the riders that ride Indian are very unique as well. So this is just like a match made in heaven. It's a great partnership, and at Bison Thunder Motorcycle, we're really happy to be a part of it. And our location is near the Otsego store. We're 2 miles north of Rogers on Highway 101. So here we go. We're just getting this thing rolling.